Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to insert combo chart in Excel. So let's start. So this is my Excel and here I have some data. So simply select the data and go to the insert tab in charts group. So this is a combo charts option. Just click on this drop down arrow and there are three types of combo charts it's showing. The first one you can see the preview here. The second one see the preview and the third one. So you can simply select here and insert the combo chart. With this, the chart design tab and format tab also here added. You can change here the chart style. Just click on this drop down arrow and you can simply select the any chart style. Okay. See the changes over here. Okay. There are some other formatting option also will change color. If you want different color, you can select accordingly. Okay. See the changes over here. If you want to add charts elements, if you want something charts element, you can add it easily. See the here. Okay. So if you want to change the chart type, you can change here the chart type also. The now selected chart is a combo charts category showing. And if you want to change the chart, you can select here the different chart. See the line chart, pie charts, area chart. So I just select the line pie chart and click on OK to change the chart type. Now I press here the Control Z to go back and I show you here. If you want to custom these charts, custom combo charts, simply select chart again, go to the chart design. Okay. And you can go in insert also. Okay. I just click on the insert. Okay. And same as click on this drop down arrow and you can see here the create custom combo chart. Okay. So here I click on it and in combo tab, you can see here the all details showing. The selected chart also showing selection and this custom combination also here showing. So here you can custom your chart. Okay. Different chart combination you can custom for the price column. You can select the different chart. Suppose I select here the different chart. You can select any one. So I select here the line chart, this one. Okay, see the changes over here. For unit sold column, I select here the different chart. Okay, to custom, you can drag the below and you can see the different charts for unit. For total amount, you can select the different chart. So I select here the, you can just drag below and select here the different charts. Okay, so this is not apply. I can select this different one. So I select the this bar charts. Okay. To selected chart types require the secondary exercise that existing chart is using. Select another. Okay. So you have to select here the another chart. So first I change here the unit sold the pie charts. I just select another word and I select here the another. Now see the here preview the combination of different chart. For price column the different chart I selected. Unit sold different chart types I selected and total amount I select here the different chart. Okay. After the selection you can see here the preview and then click on OK and that's it. You can see you can change the combination of the chart also. You customly you create here the chart. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.